Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn dividing fractions by whole numbers together, step by step. Dividing a fraction by a whole number means splitting it into equal parts. 1/2 divided by 3 means sharing 1/2 among 3 people. Each piece will be smaller than 1/2. To split a fraction into a whole number of parts, multiply the denominator by that number. 1/2 divided by 3 becomes 1/2 times 3, which is 1/6. Another way is to multiply by the reciprocal. Dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by 1/3. 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6, the same answer as before. Let's try 3/4 divided by 2. Multiply by 1/2. 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 3/4 divided by 2 equals 3/8. So to divide a fraction by a whole number, multiply by its reciprocal, which means multiply the denominator by that number. The result is always a smaller fraction because you are sharing it out. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.